This is Project 2 file open in Google Sheets. The purpose of this video is to just show how to copy formulas into a column of cells without having to type it in every time. Okay, so just to start this apportionment method for Hamilton's method with the 50 states, the first thing we have to do is add up all of the state populations. And the Google Sheets is really nice because as soon as you type something, it suggests, is this the formula you want to use? And then you would read it, the sum of B4 to B53. Yes, that's exactly what I want. And I can just click it and it does it for me. Okay, my next step is to calculate the standard divisor, which is the total population divided by 435 seats in the House of Representatives. And finally, the standard quota, which is the state's population divided by the standard divisor. So we have California done, and then to do the rest of the states, rather than type that in over and over again, click on the California cell, and then on this blue square in the lower right, hover your cursor over it until you get the crosshairs, the little plus sign. And once you have that on top of the blue square, you click and drag, and then it should be filling all of the cells. We're going to stop right before the total cell. And looks like I made a mistake because it's telling me I have division by 0. So this is where we check our formulas. So California is correct. It says we're doing B4 divided by I4. So you can see that right up here. And if I click on the Texas where I have an error, my formula is B5 divided by I5. B5 is correct. That is Texas's population. But I5 is this blank cell right here. I don't want to use I5. I want to use I4. So I have to put some dollar signs in the California formula to tell Google Sheets to use I4 all the time. Don't jump to I5. So to do that, we add some dollar signs before and after the I. That will hold that cell static. Then I'm going to redo the drag. So I hover over the blue square. When I get the crosshairs, I click and drag. Stop before I get to total. And now I've done all the standard quotas in one fell swoop. You can see they're all there. And just to double check that I did it correctly, I should add these up. Oh, that's so nice how Google offers me this formula. Yes, that's what I want to do. I want to add C4 to C53. And I should get 435 if I did this correctly. The standard quotas should always add up to the number of seats.